Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back for another update from the Knothole Gang. We're atop the Mickey and Friends parking structure, looking down at the backside of Rise of the Resistance. And as promised last week, we're going to begin this show. Actually, the next few shows, the closing episodes of this, leading up to the opening of of Galaxy's Edge with some, montages of the progress of certain viewable areas in the park, and we're going to start with the view that we've opened up with every episode for I don't know how long, this backside of Rise of the Resistance, and we're going to watch this view change from the very first episode and then take 3-month intervals after that to just see the evolution of this land. And this is, we're talking about now 3+ years of construction. It's amazing. I cannot believe we've come this far. So we're going to start, and this first image is going to be January 2016, and this is before they've done anything. They haven't done any demo. We're not even in the dirt phase yet. And by the way, the views are going to be a little bit different in the beginning because the camera's focus was different then than it is now. Actually, the image where we start, the building, the Rise of Resistance building that we're looking at is actually in the right third of the frame. From here, this angle is, you're looking right down the barrel of the building, but I didn't look to the right because I had no reason to. So this is January 2016, and then we'll forward 3 months. Or actually, this is March of 2016, and they've started to do a little demo in the very rear areas there. And some stuff has been moved out of the backstage areas. June of 2016, all the demos done. We're in total dirt mode, and it's I just can't believe it. Okay, we're in dirt mode, and we're just waiting for foundation. We're waiting for ground levels to be determined. It's happening. It's starting. Fast forward to September 2016, and you can already see that they've started to build the pool. Remember the pool? The pool is in the heart of the Rise of Resistance building, and the area that we're actually looking at now in terms of the backside of Rise of Resistance is where those green tarps are there. That's the actual location. That's where our eyes should be focused as we watch the evolution of that view from the Mickey and Friends parking structure. December of 2016, and things are fast and furious. These are the good old salad days of Knothole Gang updates. Oh man, all the wonder and excitement. But nothing yet is happening. Right now, our view would be right about where that white truck is. That's right about where the backside of Rise of Resistance is. March of 2017, we're starting to see some vertical construction. The Super Collider is underway here in the forward part of the frame. That's still not where that's the Super Collider actually exists in the primary main building, so we're still a little bit out of frame here on the right. June of 2017, and now we're starting to see that actual. This is our view. These I-beams that are being in the foreground there are the end. That is the perimeter of the Rise of Resistance building, and then this thing that they're building here, where these forms are the exterior building. September of 2019. Now we can definitely see. We can definitely see what we're looking at now. Rise of Resistance has started to close up, and we've seen the last of our ability to see any kind of construction on the ground at this point. But we have been able to watch, and this is what we've been watching for the last, is this all we've seen now for a year and a half? Is just that little corner back there? My goodness. December 2017, they've closed up the building. You can definitely see some definition for the exterior building, the exterior queue area, and the dirt that is being still worked on. They haven't really finished anything yet. They haven't started doing any of the rock work that will eventually come in the future updates, which are now March of 2018, you can start seeing they're going vertical on top of the building there for the rock work. And you can also see the beginnings of, and we couldn't see this in the previous week because we weren't positioned correctly, the angle of the camera to take it in. But you can see that there's a lot of progress going on in that the cave queue portion of the attraction. Now June of 2018, lots of steel going up, lots of framework for the rock work, and that's kind of been our focus for a while now. September 2018, and this is where things start to really slow down, and it brings us close to our conclusion here. This is September 2018. The trees have been planted on top of the cave portion of the queue. Can't really see much going on there. All we're watching now is then put that rock work in. We'll move forward to December of 2018, and they're starting to work on the backside of the rock work, and then to present, where they are, for some reason, inexplicably, closing up the backside of that rock work where they didn't do it for anywhere else around the park. That, I mean, for other reason, the one thing that they're buttoning up is so that the light doesn't come through when you're looking through the Mark Twain or the river, but I can't think of any reason why they're doing this here. And so that concludes that little before and after, or I guess montage of progress there for the backside, and I think that was super fun. I really feel like you're going to enjoy. I'm going to pick one location each week and do the same thing, observe its progress, and I think we're going to really enjoy how that is going to work out. And it's going to be a great way to lead up to the final, count down the final 10 weeks, 11 weeks before the land opens. It is going to get us primed and ready. And with that, as we finish our pan across the top of the buildings, look at the backside, we'll go to the Rivers of America, and we'll take it from here. I'm just going to go acoustic from here on out because I really enjoy that. I really enjoy it. I'm going to let you guys soak it in. Again, there's not going to be a lot to see on this side, so just observe Galaxy's Edge in its splendor and listen to the folks ask themselves, what is that? What are we looking at? And the answer is Galaxy's Edge.
What is that?
That's it right there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. We are going to be back next week with another montage, another spot. I'm not sure yet where that's going to be yet. Let me know if you have a choice or if you have a preference. Put a comment in there. What would you like me to time travel on? What area? What view? And I'll do my best to accommodate that. Until then, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Fresh baked. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh baked!